welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. We tried to go to Gatlinburg again. If you watched my previous video, attempt 1 to go to Gatlinburg, my wheelchair broke. Got a rental wheelchair, tried to go back today. Attempt 2, it rained like lightning storm. So we went back to the car. We took it to the aquarium, which is amazing. I had decided not to film it, so we are back on our way to Pigeon Forge again. So we are going to check out a few corny gift shops. I love gimmicky gift shops. And then we are headed to see the Jurassic Boat Ride. I'm so excited. If you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe, and let's see what we go find on this rainy day. There are so many gift shops in this area that it was hard to pick just a few, but first up we are going to this live shark store. Look how awesome this entrance is.
You started getting ready for bed with soothing sounds, and now you're ready to fall asleep. Keep your ASMR video playing, even with your screen on. Try Music Premium on us.
The eel is bigger than the shark. So cute. Next up, we're going to walk through this bear's mouth. Last but not least, we have the live alligator store. I don't see an alligator. So those were the 3 stores I wanted to visit. The alligator store didn't have any alligators. They were fresh out, apparently. The bear store didn't have any bears. No, they didn't advertise bears. I just thought it was cool. Now we're headed to the Jurassic Boat Ride. One thing I will say about these stores, well, I actually have a few things to say about the stores. The gator store and the shark store have like pretty much the exact same stuff. So, especially if they don't get a gator, it's not worth stopping at both of them. And the other thing is all 3 stores we stopped at were very heavy in like Confederate flag merchandise. And I know we're in the South. I know. Someone's going to leave a comment. If you don't like the South, don't go. Something like that. It's just not very welcoming to all people. And I've actually haven't seen that much of that sort of stuff here. The bear store had the best prices. Alright, that's what I have to say about the stores, and now let's see these dinosaurs. I have been waiting our whole trip for this. I can't wait to ride. There is a little bit of a line. Here we go! It's time! I'm recording on my phone, so I don't know that you can see how awesome this is, but it's awesome. I want to take 1 second as we're going through this, because we are the only ones in the boat, to talk about accessibility. You do have to transfer from a wheelchair to be able to ride. There is no, like, wheelchair accessible boat or anything. That was the dinosaur ride. It was fun. It was unique. The dinosaurs were in really good working order. Everything looked nice. Kind of like a Disney ride, only not quite. I was laughing because you just kind of like loaded yourself in a boat. There was like one employee that took your money and told you to get in line. And then you just got on the boat yourself. He like directed when you should get on the boat. It was almost $60 for 2 adults and a kid, so that's a lot for a 10-minute boat ride. But I'm not sorry we did it. It was a lot of fun. And if you're in Pigeon Forge, should you do it? Absolutely. And that's my video today. I know it was short, but I hope you had as much fun watching as I had making it, and we'll see you soon.